If your newborn suddenly wants to breastfeed again and again, sometimes every 30 minutes, you may be experiencing cluster feeding. Welcome to Pump with Thilly, where we help new moms feel more confident through every stage of breastfeeding. Cluster feeding is when a baby feeds much more frequently than usual over a period of several hours. It is especially common during the first few weeks of life and may happen during growth spurts. Your baby may nurse, seem satisfied for a short time, and then show feeding cues again. This can feel exhausting, but it does not automatically mean you are not making enough milk. One important thing to remember is that frequent nursing can actually help your body understand that your baby needs more milk. Breast milk production works largely through supply and demand, so your baby's increased feeding can signal your breasts to make more. During cluster feeding, try to make yourself as comfortable as possible. Keep water and easy snacks nearby, use pillows for support, and choose a breastfeeding position that allows you to relax. If you are nursing for long periods, pay attention to your baby's latch. A deep, comfortable latch should not cause ongoing sharp or worsening nipple pain. It is also normal for babies to become fussier during cluster feeding, especially in the evening. Take a breath and remember that this phase is usually temporary. If another trusted adult is available, let them handle diaper changes, meals, household tasks, or simply bring you what you need while you focus on feeding your baby. Cluster feeding should not be judged by feeding frequency alone. Look at the bigger picture, including your baby's diaper output, swallowing during feeds, overall behavior, and weight gain. If your baby is difficult to wake for feeds, has fewer wet diapers than expected, is not swallowing well, or you are concerned about weight gain or milk transfer, contact your pediatrician or a lactation professional promptly. Most importantly, you are not failing because your baby wants to nurse constantly. Cluster feeding can be intense, but it is a common part of newborn life. Take it one feed at a time, care for yourself along the way, and remember that this demanding stage usually gets easier. For more practical breastfeeding and newborn feeding guidance, subscribe to Pump with Thilly. You are doing better than you think.